What is going on, everybody? It's Ethan from Me and C Cool Comics Inc. and this is gonna be my first scrap book. I mean, arts and crafts. And you probably heard that We Bare Bears, the movie, came out today. And since it's We Bare Bears, the movie, we're going to make the stack of We Bare Bears. Okay, I'm kind of saying We Bare Bears a lot, and I'm going to stop. So, these are the equipment you need. 3 rolls of no toilet paper things. The thing that a scarf thing. Scissors. Some marker and tape. First, let's start with the first one. First, you use this, and then you roll it around. Then you roll it around like okay. It might be confused. This might be hard, but okay, good. And then when you get to here, you cut it from here. You cut from here. And then when there's some stuff like that, you cut it right here. Like this. Then you use the extra roll, and then you add tape. You just add some tape, a little bit of tape, and if there's some little extra, you cut that out. And now you use the rest of this to make the head. You just have to make sure it gets on the right size. And you use it to like cut this out. If that doesn't work, you can always use a pencil. You can just use the pencil to trace it, and you might need 2 of them. For one at the bottom and one for the butt. And you use it to cut it like so. And you use this side, not this side. And then you put that there, and you tape it in until all of the corners just 4 more. Just 4 more. There you go. Then you cut off the other side. Like so. Once again, you go on the other side. And then, right here, like that. Then you use cover this and cut them like this. See, to use the ears. Then you go on this side. You just use a little bit. You use it this way. Then you get another piece. And put it right here. Then you get another roll, make it a little small, like a little small. And then you put it once again, right here. Make sure you just use a little bit. See? There, the ears. If you see a little bit of tape on it, just cut it out. Then we have to draw the face. Now you draw it like this. First you add a little ear. First you use like this. And then you add the nose. And then you draw the mouth like this. And now you cut off like the ears, but longer. Trust me. Like longer. Like this. Okay. First, you add this. And then you add this. And then